Alrighty, welcome back to Daily Day Trades YouTube, where we go over the trades that we made today and why, and the things to look out for tomorrow. If you want to get these videos every day, then please subscribe to the channel. It also helps a lot if you were to drop a like on the video. Today, our short bull run ended tragically, with SPY ending the day down 2%. I have to say it was not necessarily much of a bull run. As you can see, there was a ton of sideways trading here as these days went on. So if you didn't get into stuff early in the morning, then chances are there was not many chances for a big play to be made. So I have not been making that many trades per day. Hopefully that will change as the week goes on, as we gain momentum in one direction or another. I did make a play on SPY puts today. I got them for tomorrow, which might sound kind of sketchy. I got them here. 380 is my strike. We ended up paying 121 for those. They did sit around just about break even for a good bit there, as we had some slowness, but as the day went on, we were able to pick up some decent profits on those. I believe we got about 60%. Yeah, sold them for 191, so we got 57%, and then we have two more of those going into tomorrow. That's a very, very high risk play, but by taking those profits, we were able to make it relatively risk free unless there's a massive bounce in the morning and it continues as the day goes on. Little education blip here. As you can see, this was kind of our level that we kept hitting throughout these days. Got stuck there quite a few times, got stuck there again today. And then as it continued down, it was relatively simple to assume that it would continue like that for the rest of the day. The only swing we picked up yesterday were XLE calls, and we made a little edit on those today. So those are for July 8th at $77, paid $109. We sold half of those for 50% when we had this run here in the morning. As they do expire in July, I'm going to take my time with these because I kind of think that the energy market is going to be a safe haven if we do continue to go down into bearish territory again, even though we kind of never left it. So we do have those XLE plays going into tomorrow and for this foreseeable future. I'm going to be really aggressive with those because I didn't spend as much as I wanted to. So if it does work out, I want it to be a really big play. The Spirit Airlines, JetBlue, Frontier Airlines, Love Triangle continued. JetBlue kind of modified their offer today. They offered them the same price, but they offered it in cash. When you pay in cash, you're paying a premium per share. It's kind of complicated how it all works out. It's just a better offer. So that's why Spirit had a decent jump in the morning. They did come straight back down though. I'm considering playing that again. I did it last week and made a little bit of money on that, but I kind of look at it like a poker hand or something. So if you have something and you're like, okay, there is a 10% chance this wins, but if I do win, I'm going to make 10 times my money. So you can look at it and think to yourself, hey, do I have more than a 10% chance of winning on this? And if you do, then your price target is going to be way up here at 33.50 because that's where they're getting acquired at. So those contracts would go up easily $1,000 in intrinsic value if you were to pick them up. It's just a matter of when or if the deal does go through. Right now, it has been going on like this for a couple months, so it is kind of difficult to time. You never know what they're going to do. Nike had earnings today. They actually beat on pretty much everything, and they were still down pre-market. It didn't go very well for them. That's okay. We've got some more stuff coming up, and earnings season is right around the corner. On Thursday, we have Micron. That's definitely something to look forward to. And then here's Nike down 7% after honestly having pretty good metrics across the board, so that might just be a little bit of lack of confidence in the retail sector, which is not surprising since every consumer pretty much in the world is getting lower purchasing power throughout the course of the year due to the inflation and everything else. So right after retail got out of trouble with the coronavirus, they might be going right back into it with inflation. We will see how they handle that. Other things to watch on the retail side would be things like Macy's, Target, Walmart. Those all kind of coincide with each other, but Walmart and Target, they've already been beaten up pretty bad. That's definitely one that I'd be looking to buy the dip on. I actually did on our swing trade portfolio. Couldn't find it there for a second. Here it is, and we did get that at some point. We got Starbucks too. Walmart was around here somewhere, but yeah, I like Walmart at this price. So far, this is a pretty ADD style video. I've just been kind of bouncing around what's going on in different things. But back to SPY, the reason that it did go down was just due to some economic data that came out. Consumer confidence came out lower than expected, and then inflation estimates for June came in high once again. There is more data to come out this week. If that continues to disappoint, then we should see a bit of a return closer to the 370 level. I would be surprised actually if we were to drop that aggressively, but I mean, it's a pretty unpredictable market right now. I didn't really expect a full green week straight up there from where were we, 362 all the way to 392. That was a pretty huge jump, and then we gave up a lot of that today. So, got a lot to look forward to in the weeks ahead. If you want to get the trade alerts that I was going through here, there is a link in the description where you can get all of those. That link will give you immediate access to this Discord where you will get a super sick name. We also have a bird of the day. Wow, I've been slacking on the bird of the day, but there he is. That was the most recent one. I believe that was on Friday. We also just brought back the $29 plays. We have all these resources that you can have, some books that are downloadable here, swing trade portfolio for more passive investments, kind of passive income swings, stuff like that. Link to our website, trading course, and then a bunch of education here as well. So if you like trading stocks and making money, check out that link. That's all I got for today. I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Oh, one last thing, I will be live streaming via YouTube tomorrow. I'll probably get on like around 9 or 9:30 Eastern time and just be on for an hour and a half or two. So hopefully I will see you either in the Discord or on the live stream or both tomorrow. Peace.